Hello, I'm Thiên Anh. I'm from meu-solutions and I'm going to show you cross-site scripting so that you can understand more about cross-site scripting. So, what is cross-site scripting? Cross-site scripting is the type of injection in which malicious scripts are injected into otherwise trusted websites. Steps to attack a web application with cross-site scripting is listed. First, attackers send text-based attack script that exploit the interpreter in the browser. Second, user access to website contain that malicious script, and then, boom, malicious scripts are activated. Depending on the purpose of the attacker, leading to consequences like cookies and sessions and user information are stolen, or user were redirected to a malicious website. In addition, a virus, backdoor, or worm are accidentally installed in your computer. Now, how can we recognize a cross-site scripting vulnerable site? I had a simple example. First, let's go to the website that you want to test and find any input field that you can insert your script. A simple script like this. You can see that an alert message appeared, proof that my script was activated. I will try with another website. This dictionary website responds the result in which my script is just a text to search. My script was not activated. So that is the easiest way to recognize a cross-site scripting vulnerable site. Cross-site scripting has three main types. First is store cross-site scripting attack, reflected cross-site scripting, and DOM-based cross-site scripting. Let's go to more detail. Store attack are those where the injected script is permanently stored on the target servers, such as database, message form, command fields. The victim retrieves the malicious script from the server when it requests the stored information. Let's do a simple demo for you to understand more. Here is stored cross-site scripting. Click on. We will start with low security level. Synonym. I think I do something wrong. Okay. Level. Okay. It worked. Starting with medium. I forgot to click Facebook. Now click on install again. Symbol. Script. My script was not executed. It's just a string. Now let's see what happened. Oh, I can see that in the message fields they use HTML special character. HTML special character prevent browsers from using HTML element, so that I can't use script element or any HTML element else in message field. But they didn't use HTML special character for the name field, so we will focus on the name field. The name field using string replace. It replaces the string script with a new string, a string script. So I will use a script in another form like this. Let's start. I think I forgot something. Is the max length of the name field is limited. Done. Hi. Oh my god, it is so vulnerable. We will challenge with the high security level. Okay, clear on, and we will see the sock first. They still use HTML special character in message field, so in the name field they used replace. I can't use script anymore with this method. I must use another HTML tag. I haven't an idea. Maximum length is 100. And no. Okay. Oh, expect the link. Click on it, and now I have the cookie of this. See, cookie security high and BAP session IDs is the same. I inserted malicious script using stock cross-site scripting attack successfully. Now let's find out reflected cross-site scripting. Reflected attack adult. The injected script is reflected in any response that includes some or all of the inputs sent to the server as part of a request. Attacker check user to click on the link or image or any content that contains malicious script, and that script is activated. I used the low level before some minutes ago, so now we start with medium. Submit. Okay, reflected. So the circle first to see how they prevent the website. Here they use string replace method. I can use the same techniques like the stock cross-site scripting like this. Okay. It works. How about higher level? Higher level use the same method as stock cross-site scripting we used some minutes ago. I can't use script anymore. I will use an HTML tag like a link. Here is the link, click on it, and I get the cookie. It's the same. So that is the difference between stock cross-site scripting attack and reflected cross-site scripting attack. So what about DOM based attack? DOM instead of part of the DOM-based attack. Cross-site scripting is the cross-site scripting appear in the DOM instead of part of the HTML. You look at this website, you can see that there is no input field for you to insert any script except for the URL. So we will use this URL. Okay, let's try. Change it to the low level. We started from the easiest part. Okay, now see, no protection. Okay. Oh, hi, the message alert appeared. So, medium level. Medium level use string box. Find a script inside a string inside your URL. I want you script that. Let's see the structure of this option. Okay, let's go here. Selection here option in it. Here the frame appear on this. It's inside an option tag, so I must close this tag to insert another HTML element tag like this. Options, close select tag 2, and now insert image or 1 arrow alert. Okay. Ooh, it I guess. Successfully, I insert my script successfully inside image tag. I didn't use script tag anymore because of string box middle. Now I think the high level is really difficult. So the stock code showed me that they didn't prevent me to use script tag anymore, so I will back to use the script because I love script. They follow the case switch case. In PHP, the hashtag is user comment, so I will try to use this. I have an ID. Okay. Oh, it worked. So I finished my demo of 3 types of cross-site scripting here, and now let's go back. Now, how do we protect our website from cross-site scripting attack. First, encoding on your input everything user input. You must encode everything user input. And moreover, we must validate on input value to make sure that there's no input type like code block script and not activated. You can use an Untitled library to remove unspecified characters from input fields. And finally, use content security policies. Overall, cross-site scripting is one of the most common and dangerous techniques to attack web applications. You must be careful. Thank you for watching.